In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Kiwico discount promo codes in 2025. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser. And right here, you'll have to search for Kiwico discount promo code. Right here, go to this website, which is called Coupon Follow. And as you can see right here, we have a list with some promo codes that we can use in order to get some discounts. So let's say, for example, that you want to get this one with 20% discount off your next order. All you need to do is just select this button right here where it says show coupon code. And this is the promo code right here that you can copy. And you can use this one so that you can get a 20% discount off your next purchase. Also, going back to the main search, we have this website which is called Simply Codes. And right here, as you can see, we have a list with other promo codes that we can use to get some benefits and some discounts. So let's say, for example, that you want to get this one with 30% discount right here. All you need to do is just select this button where it says view code. And right here, this is our promo code. You can just tap on this button to copy the promo code. And you can use this one so that you can get a 30% discount off your next order. So this is pretty much all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.